Welcome back again. Today we are going to discuss another new topic. In fact, we are going to learn what is HTML and how to design a web page using HTML language. And for this, we may use a software like Notepad++, although you can also use Notepad, but it is better to use Notepad++ because it is comfortable and you can easily guess when some tag is starting and when it is ending. So it is better one can use Notepad++, but other platform also for this one can use some web pages like w3school.com. They provide facility that just like in Overleaf, you create your login account and then you save you work and then you save your work there. So similar kind of thing you can also do there. So I will tell you what is that website also and from where we can learn more about this. Okay, so what is HTML? Basically, it is a hypertext markup language, and it was introduced by Berners-Lee. And then initially, the original goal was to provide a communication system from one place to another place. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and HTML elements are building block of HTML pages. Thing is that if you know or if you have learned, uh, for example, LaTeX. So in that you see that there is some beginning, there is some line in the beginning, which is common for all documents in LaTeX. So that you will write document class, so backslash document class. So similar thing is also there. And then after you write some packages, name of some packages, and then you go on and then you write, used to write begin document and then end document. And whatever you are writing between begin document and end document, after execution, they used to appear as a main text, that is a display text. Okay. So similar things are there, and in main text, just like in you have seen that in LaTeX, you have so many environment like begin theorem, end theorem, and then sections, subsections. Okay, and you have a begin equation, end equation, lemma, and equation array are there, and then you have some listing, ordered list or unordered list, enumerate. You say that enumerate gives you some ordered list 1, 2, 3, or ABC, or in Roman also. They used to enumerate the points, and also you have bullet kind of things in LaTeX. So similar things are also there. So just like these the things what I have told you just now, they build they uh, build system of blocks. What is going to be displayed on front when you execute the LaTeX document? Okay. So similar things are there in HTML. So there are also many blocks which comprises or which collectively together made a make a HTML page. Okay, so HTML elements are represented by tags. So in LaTeX, you say that this is the environment, and here in HTML, you say that there is some tags. Okay, similar kind of things you can correlate with that. So HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. So this is somewhat similar there. You write some abstract is there, then introduction is there, and then dot dot dot. So many things are there. Okay, and in fact, just like in ST in LaTeX, you type some code and then you have some something, some output which is not exactly you have typed there. Okay, but your code will convert into the desired output. So here also tag will not appear, but the content you want to be appear on web page, they will be appearing. Okay. So this is a simple HTML document. I'll tell you what is the meaning of each and every line. So first thing is that we have very similar kind of thing here, like LaTeX. So here first line is doctype HTML. Okay. Here doctype is a declaration, just like in LaTeX you used to do that document class. Okay. So in fact, this is first declaration line in one sense that this is a HTML page. Okay. So first line, this will be common in all HTML document. And the doc type, this doc type is not case sensitive, so you can type them in small also. Okay, and then HTML you are writing and you are closing them in bracket. Usually this exclamatory sign used to we use in HTML for comment, but in the first line it will act as a command for declaration. Okay, so first line says that this is a HTML document, that's all. And after that we have HTML, and then you see, and at the end the second line from the top after doc type HTML, you have HTML, and this is closed in angular bracket, and then at the end you have forward slash. You should remember that in LaTeX we usually write backslash, okay, for every command, but here we have to use, or the commands are closed, that you see that there is HTML, and then and we have another HTML at the end. So forward slash HTML is there. Okay. So first is opening tag, and then second is closing tag, we say. Okay. And then you see like head and body. Sorry. Here you have head, and then beginning of head, and then close here also. Okay. Then you are writing title, and then title page, and then you are closing this tag also. Okay. Am I audible or what? If you have any problem, please let me know. If
You
there
are
is some,
audible.
You are audible.
okay. Because sometimes there is some network problem is there, so please let me know in case if you are missing something. Okay. So we have here head, and then end closing tag is there. Fourth line from the of from HTML. Okay, we have head, and then head closing head. Okay, then if you are writing, this head is the environment, in fact, or environment in the language of LaTeX, or here we can say tag for header. And then you are writing title. This will produce title page. Okay. So title of page is I have written here page title, and then I have closed this tag. Okay, I'm just creating a simple document. Thing is that, and then we have a body, and then closing tag is here, the second line from the bottom with forward slash. Here you can see there are two lines, H1 and then my first heading. So H1, in fact, there is a hierarchy heading style, that is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So there are six varieties or categories of heading you can write. H1 is bigger one, then H2, sorry, H1 is there, then H2 is there, then H3 is there. Okay. So that I will tell you how, I will show you how they are producing. Okay. And then for paragraph, we have P tag. H1 tag is H1 tag, H2 tag, up to S6 tag. They will produce heading of different sizes. Okay. And then we have a paragraph. So paragraph starting with P, and then closing tag is forward slash P. So this is a simple document in HTML. Okay. So let me show you what is the output of this, so that of course many of you must be knowing this. Okay. Okay. So one more thing, if you want to use some software in your computer, you can use this software. This is called Notepad plus plus, and you can. This is a free software, and you can download it. You just write Notepad plus plus, and you will be redirected here. So you can go here, and then you see so many things are there. So many download options are there. So you can select this one, the latest one, and then if you have 32-bit system, then you can download this. Okay. So this is installer, and this is portable zip. Okay. So better if you want installer, and then you can install this one. It will take maybe 2-3 minutes, not more than this. And if you have a 64-bit system, then you can use this link for downloading. Okay, and then you can click and install. It will take just maybe less than 1 minute. It's very small file. Okay. Uh, so like you can see this is software. This is a shortcut of software. You can see Notepad plus plus. It will look like this. Then you can open it. Okay. Otherwise, you can use Notepad also. So you can go and you can take Notepad, and you can type here also. Okay. So I have copied. I will tell you how to do the things here. Okay. I think in copying something has happened. Okay. Let me correct it first. One more thing, unlike in LaTeX, here if you have some error, then it will also, even then it will produce some output. Okay. So if you want to enhance the size, you can press Control and then scroll button. Okay. It will enhance the size, appearance size. Okay. So here we have a simple document. If you are giving some space, absolutely no problem. So let me give some space so that appearance is clear, should be clear. Okay, so let us save this. So go to save as, and then let me save on desktop, and then on desktop let us write RC Ramanujan College, and or you may write whatever name you like. You should type the extension also. So you have to type here .html. Okay, and then press enter, or press the save button. So let us see on desktop what we got. Here you see RC is there, if you are able to see. Okay, this RC is there, and then you can open in any browser. So once you open, you will be getting like this. Okay. So this is there are two lines we have written here. My first heading, and here my first paragraph. So we used a paragraph tag to write some paragraph. So this is whatever you are writing, it will come like this in paragraph. Okay. Of course, you can enhance the size of this the text, and here H1. The font size and style is default, what is saved or what is defined in H1 tag. And then you can also use S2 tag, S3 tag, S4 tag, that I will let you know. And you can see here in this tab, so you can see there is, if you are you are taking another tab, so here is coming a name, new tab. Okay. So like here also tab name is there, or page title is there. So page title comes here, not on main page. Okay. So I'll tell you how you can make some title here on page. Okay. Or how you can justify this text. So here page title is there, and this page title you have seen where we have written in the between header tag and then another tag we have used nested tag. Okay, a different nested tag. So here a title is there, and then this is a closer of title is there, then page title is there. Okay, so this is appearing in the tab in the place of tab name. Okay, so this is in fact tab name is there. Okay, and after that once we close this and then we start from here, we can start here from just like body, and then we are closing it. Okay, so whatever we are going to write here, they will appear in the main content as main content in the web page. So here h1 is there. So h1, let me write here h1. Okay, so that you can correlate, and then we have so many. Okay, let me show you uh, how we can use other uh, headings. So we can write here S2, then S2. I'm writing here S2 so that you can correlate that this is S2. Otherwise, if text are same, then it will be difficult to uh, guess you which is H1, which is S2. Okay. So let us H4 is there and H4 is there. H4 is there. Even if you are missing here, if you are writing H1, then it will give some output, but thing is that it will not show any error. Okay, so this is one of a fault in HTML, or you can say this is a good thing for someone, and this may be fault for someone. Okay, but in in LaTeX, you don't have this facility usually. Okay, so this is the thing. And if you want to save, then you need not to execute or something. You just need a control plus S. Okay, control and S, or you can save directly. Okay, go to file and then save. Okay, and then if you want to see what is the output of this one, so you need not to go back and then open it again. You just refresh this page. Okay, you see. So this is my heading H1. Okay, this is the bigger one, biggest one. And then S2 is smaller than H1. S3 is again is smaller than H2. Okay, so this is a H6. H6 heading is smallest among all heading styles. Okay. So I think this is clear to you. Now let us go further. And the same thing you can do with Notepad++. Let me copy it. Copy. And then I have opened this another file. So I have pasted here. You see here you will get some more. So many options are there. You see, so many options are there. You may be seeing that this text is appearing bigger. So for this, you have to press Control and then scroll. Okay. So this way you can zoom. Okay. So like this. Okay. And then in the same way, you can save it. Go to Save As, and then let me save it on desktop. On desktop, let us write new. And then you similar way you have to write extension here, extension name. Otherwise, it will will be saved as a text file, normal text file. Okay. So let us new and then html.html and then save it. You can see every tag is matched. So from here you will get to know. Suppose I'm missing this one. Okay. Suppose I'm missing this one. So you won't be getting any matching of this. Okay. You click here, you won't be getting any matching of this. Okay. So like this. Now you get to know. Okay. You see. This head is there, and sorry, this one. Okay. So this is match. This one is matching, and then you see this HTML. You can come down and you can see here it is ending. Then body is there. Then here once you click here, you will get a line, a red line from here to here, so that you can see that all right, this is matching. You can see. Okay. So you can easily guess if there is some error. Okay, you see like this. Okay, if you click here, head is matching, title. So it will match beginning tag and end tag. Okay, in every situation. You can see if you are clicking here HTML, then you will get to know. Okay, this is HTML, end tag is there. Okay, that means we are not missing something, anything. Okay, so now let us go further. What we can see, what we can learn. Let us see. Okay, so I think up to now this is clear to you. So this is what I just explained to you. The doctype HTML declaration defines this document to be a HTML document. And HTML document is the root element of HTML page. That is, this is necessary. You have to write. Okay. After that, after HTML, you have to write another HTML. Okay. This is a declaration, but this is the root element. Then we have head. This element contain meta information of document. Okay. So that we know that we put the title tag and all. Uh, Sorry, the tab name in head. Okay, and then we have title, specific title we are giving to that document, and that is appearing in the tab of that particular web page. And then from body is element that contains the visible page content. Okay, so whatever you are writing in body tag, they will appear on front page. You have a H1, and this defines a large heading. In fact, the largest among all H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, so P defines a paragraph. Here you see what is the basic structure or syntax for HTML tag. So HTML tag start from tag name, and then some content is there you have to write, and then this will close for, in a similar way, but with forward slash. Okay, so tag name is there, and then this will close as forward tag name, and then you can whatever you will write here. This will go inside this tag. Okay. HTML tags normally comes in pair like a paragraph, and you see here also tag. This is the beginning and this is the closer. Okay, the first tag, first pair, this one, that for example P. This will start. This is called start tag, and the second one is called end tag. The end tag is written like the start tag, but forward slash inserted before them, just like you see here. Okay. Sometimes this is also called opening tag, and this is the ending closing tag also. Okay, so I think this is all I have discussed with you. Sometimes we write a document HTML5. Okay, so there are so many versions. Okay, but because we are not designing so good, I mean, to advanced web page, so we do not. We may write or we may not write. I mean, here sometimes we write here HTML and then followed by 5. Okay, so there are so many versions. So this is what, but and also there you can see that the document doc type. This is not this declaration is not case sensitive. Okay, so I think you all I explained this one. Okay, so H1 defines the most important heading. Okay, and H6 define least important heading. So whatever heading you are, so many heading you may write, but thing is that you may choose what to be important and what not to be, what is not so much important. So on web page, if you are visiting some web page, so you will see that some large font is there, some bold font is there, some colored font is there. It means that they are highlighting them. Okay. So if you want to highlight them or more some particular content, then you can write H1, otherwise H2, H3. Depends. Okay. So there are 6, in fact. I told you 6 types of headings. This paragraph, I told you how we can use them. This is a paragraph. This is another paragraph. So this is a tagline for paragraph. Okay. So there are other things are there, but just like how we can create a link in a web page. Okay. And then we can provide some alternating text. And sometimes you have seen that if you are clicking on some web page link, and then you will be redirected to another web page or something. And sometimes you see that there is some information or some information is there that that web page is missing, and then they write 404 error and all, something like this. Okay. So actually, if suppose I have uploaded some, or I have given link in my web page for some document, and if I remove that document from the drive, so once you are clicking on that link, you will be getting nothing, and you will be getting some message. Okay, so that message is in fact sometimes customized message. Okay. And in case of such customized message, sometimes you see 404 error or document missing or something. Okay. And in case if you have some idea that okay, sometimes we may delete that particular document which for which we have kept some link on my web page. So in that case, you can give some alternate link or alternate text. Okay. Suppose I have uploaded on my drive and given link, but I have somehow it is deleted. So if I have given some alternate kind of thing, okay, in case it is missing, suppose I'm writing, in case it is missing, you visit this site or you visit this link. Okay. So that is there. So that attribute we can write here also. So let us see uh, another web page. Here you see for this this is one simple another web page rc.html is there. Let us let me show you what is output. So this one. Okay. So you can see this is a simple web page. Okay, Ramanujan College is there. It is centered, and some color is there in background, and we have text color also. And you see there is a home, but home, it is not button, but it is some kind of heading is there. And then I have this paragraph about Ramanujan College, and then some list I have created. Okay, so it is unordered list is there, and then ordered list is there. And then I have used here this bold, then italic, and then superscript, subscript is here, and superscript is here. And in the bottom, I have a Ramanujan College, University of Delhi, Kalkaji. Okay. And then you see so many things are there: tenders, vacancy, alumni, RTI, anti-ranking, and forms. So you can give links here also. But let us see how it is. It has been created. Okay. And also we can have some other document like this. You can have like this some drop down menu. So I will tell you how to create this drop down menu. You can select something, and you can give the link to them, and it will redirect at that page. Okay. You can see admission is there, NIRF ranking is there, and login is there. For login, we have a teacher login, then we have a student login. So I have just imitated something from our college web page. Okay. But let us see how to do this this thing. This is simple. Okay. So this is a this is a doc type. This is a declaration, the kind of document we are going to use. And then I have shown you in presentation. Sometimes they write here HTML5. So it doesn't matter as of now, because we are not going to create a some big page or advanced web page. Let us see. So here next line will be HTML, and then you can see there this is closing here. Okay, so this is a benefit of using Notepad++. And then you have a head. Okay, and then in head you have title, and in title you are writing Ramanujan College. Okay. So once you are opening this file, you will be seeing here Ramanujan College is appearing. Okay. Here also Ramanujan College is there. Let me close this first. Okay. So this tab name is Ramanujan College. In fact, this page name is Ramanujan College. Okay. So let us see more things. So I think up to here it is clear to you. And then we have here heading H1, and there are many attributes are there. Okay. So if I don't use this attribute, then I can keep it like this, simple text, but hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
There was some problem. I don't know. अभी दिख रहा है आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we have a heading style H1. This is opening tag and this is a closing tag. In this tag, within this tag, you have to write so many things that all attributes. Okay. So let me write like this so that it is easy for you to understand. You see, H1 is there, and then H1 is closing here. Okay, this H1 is closing here. So this is a line equals to, and then you are writing in caps. Okay, in quotes. So this is case sensitive. You have to write like this, and don't misspell this as center RE like this. Okay, okay, CENTER is there. So that you need to take care. Center, and then there is no comma, then style, and then background hyphen color is there, then colon, and this is a color I have given, and this color you can see here. Okay, this color, some blue color have given. So you can write, you can also give yellow or something. Okay, and then semicolon and closed. Okay. So this will be closed in quotes, double quotes. Okay. And then a font color, you can define here font color. So I've given this, this is as red color. If I remove this one, there is a, you will be, okay. You can write here directly Ramanujan College like this. Okay. If you want this, you can write here Ramanujan College. Okay. Ramanujan College, and let me put some comment here like this. So I think now, okay, so it has gone in the left. Okay, so many things have been changed. Okay, okay, just a minute. Just let me cut it here from here. Let me save. Actually, I didn't save it. Let it. Okay, you can see that this is centered, and now color has been removed. Okay, so to write this, to give some color, you have to write some code here. Okay, and everything whatever you are writing here, they will come under some tag. So we can remove this dot here from here. Okay, so Ramanujan College is there, and then this is command to make this text red. Okay, so let us see. You can now see again, you refresh it, you will see this red color has come. Okay, now we have understood up to here H1, and then we have H2, smaller text, a smaller text for this home, and same thing we are doing font, and then in font tag we are giving color equals to red. You can give some another color. You can see here font and then color, then whatever you feel like you can write here. I have written home. Okay, if you want to make it center, you need to use this one also. Okay, this tag, this uh, this attribute. So you can write it out how you can make it in center. So this one is a paragraph, and this uh, justify attribute is to justify from left and right. Okay. If you remove this one, initially you see the output, okay, like this. And if you remove this one, let me cut it and then save it. Okay. And then you can see the effect of this. Okay. You see there is no in the left you can see this is justified, but in the right you have no justification. Okay, so this looks odd. So for that we need to have this attribute align, and then in quotes we have justify. Fine. So once you write it here, you can see that this is justified. And then font size, similarly in paragraph also you can enhance the size. 4 point size equals to 4, 5, 6, whatever you feel like. Okay. And then in this you are writing something related to Ramanujan College and all. So I have just copied from the website of our college. Okay. So this paragraph ends here, and then font tag is also closing here. You can see. Fine. But don't think that you are going to get something bold and all here. Okay. Though it is appearing, it is like bold, but you won't be getting bold. For that, you need to use some more command. Okay. Fine. So let us see. We have another heading H4. I have skipped S3. Similarly, you can also use S3. Okay. So here for making list, some ordered list or unordered list, you have suppose you are giving here some heading and unordered list. Okay. So this is you are writing. This is not command and an ordered list. Okay. And for ordered list, uh, maybe I have did. Okay. I think I should write here ordered list. Okay. Unordered. No. Unordered list. UL is there. Okay. Here ordered list is there. Fine. So an unordered list will be produced in with this tag UL. Okay. So here we have UL and then a forward slash UL. This is closing tag. And whatever we are supposed to write as content in form of list, we can write in this environment. So here we have this is opening tag li, and then this is closing tag. Okay. So li. So three things we have kept here. This is similar to LaTeX, uh, where we used to begin enumerated and enumerate, and then what we write in between we write backslash item. Okay, in both the cases, whether it is enumerate or itemize, in both the cases, in both the situations. So here also we have unordered list. This is specifying that this list going to be an unordered list. And and then if you want to order list, so we can start like here ordered list OL. And here I have defined some attribute that I want order list in Roman numbers. Okay. So for if you want ABC, oh sorry, 1, 2, 3, then you can use 1 or something. Okay, whatever you feel like. So I have given this. So this is defining type of list we want. So in this also we have li, similar to that we have used in LaTeX. Okay, item. So here also same thing is there. Similar thing is there. You can use you can say you can see the output of this. We have unordered list, so we have bullets here A, B, C. I have typed this one. We have typed this one. Okay, and unordered list. Sorry, ordered list. You can see A, B, B, C, C, D. These are the text we have typed, and this is a Roman. In Roman, they are making order in Romani style. So let us see if you want to, suppose if you want to remove this one, let me copy and let us paste here, and then let us remove this. We can see what is default uh, default style. Okay. In default style, you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like this. Can we have something like okay, just let me. Okay, let us type here small I. Let us see whether it is producing. Okay. You can see this has changed. Okay, like this. Hmm. Uh, some more things, I don't know. Let us see if we want to keep them in bracket, then what happens. This is a way how you can learn. Okay. It is not working. So there must be some other way to do this, to do that. Okay. You can try it out. Uh, okay, fine. So this is how we can produce an ordered and unordered list. And then we have you see now changing style. That is, we have some bold text, we have italic, and then superscript and subscript. These are the things. Let us see how we can produce them. Uh, to keep something in center, we have to write like this. Begins just like we write in LaTeX, begin center and end center. Okay, so here also we have similar kind of thing. This center is starting from here and then ending here. Okay, but within the body. Okay, within the body. So let us see from here. Okay, this one. This one we were talking about. So for bold font, we need to write bold tag. This B tag. Okay, and for italic, we need to write like this. Fine. And then for subscript, we need to use this sub tag, and for superscript, we need to use a SUP, that is superscript tag. This tag, okay. All these are all are used within paragraph environment, okay. And then we have a center to make this is in center. You see now we are moving towards this part, okay, this part. So I want to keep this some line in the bottom. Okay, so for this, I have written here like this. Okay, and then in center. Okay, this will be in center. And then table, I have created table with 80% and background color, this blue kind of color I have given. And then we are making table. Okay, so for this we are we are using this font color. You can see like just a minute, whether it is producing or not. And, this I think this tr has some closing tag or not. Okay, here is this there. Okay, so to make some table, actually this bottom line, is prepared using a table. Okay, using table tag. So for that we have to write you see the width and style of table. I have width 80% of the total width. Okay, 80% of the total width. You can see that it is not covered completely. Okay, so 80% and background style blue we have given. So here you can see, I think let us remove this one. I think this does not this is not producing anything. So color we can change it. For color we can write here. Okay. So here we have a suppose you want to make table in uh, if you are relating this with LaTeX. So in that you have to write first you have to write environment that environment, and after that you have to write so many what is called the text you are writing in matrix or in determinant in LaTeX. You use to separate them with and sign. Okay, and sign. So this and sign like this, you have to like this. Okay, you if you remember. Okay, so here uh, that work is done, and then also for centered kind of thing you used to write like this. Okay, in the in the beginning of the command. So here table is starting. Okay, and then after that we have so many blocks. So blocks are created using this. So in one block say I am writing tenders, and then another block we are writing tenders vacancy, and then alumni RTI, then enter ranking, and then forms. Okay, so this is closing here, then table is closing. Okay, and then center is also closed. So like this, if you are using in this way, you are writing in this way, so you will be getting this kind of thing. Okay, so I will tell you later on if you want to put some link here, so you can very much create, you can give link here. Okay, so in the next class we will be discussing how to put a link, and then also uh, how to keep some image. Okay, in in simple HTML document. So let us end the discussion for the day. Let us meet in the next class.
Thank you for watching this video. To stay updated, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cosmos Learning. Happy learning through Cosmos Learning. To watch more, click on any of these cards. Thank you once again.